Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a kind of recap of what we have done in our previous class, and today I want us to look into the 26 letters of English language. Like I always say, they have two forms of being pronounced. Okay, so let's do that quickly on today's video. But before then, if you've seen me for the first time, hi, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by today. So let's dive straight into today's video. So right with me here, I have on the board the 26 letters of English language. So let's recite it the two way it can actually be done. Okay, so let's go. I have here A. This A is usually A and at the same time A. Okay, for example, you have A for angel, A for angle. Can you see? So it's either called A or A depending on which word it's going for. Okay, the next one is B. It can be called B, or it can also be pronounced as be, be. For instance, you have B as belittle, and you have be as Bethlehem, or you can have be as Bet. Do you understand that? Okay, so let's move to the next one, which is C. So this C can be pronounced as the C sound, and also it can be pronounced as the K sound. Okay, so for instance, I have C in terms of ceiling, and I have this K in terms of carton, and you understand that? Okay, to D we have D. We can have D as D and as well as D. Okay, so we can have this D in form of, okay, danger, they sound. Then D we can have of door. We can have D, we can have deep. We have D, do, D. Okay, so let's move to E now. We have E for eagle, and we have E for elephant. The E and the E. Okay, so it's either E or E. All right, then for this we have the F or the F sound. We have F or F. For instance, we have F as F for father. We have F fat. Okay, father. All right, so let's move to G here. We have this G as the G and the G as well. For instance, we have G for gist and G for girl. Okay, now we have H. This is the H sound or the H sound. H or the H sound. Okay, now we have H for, we have house, we have H for hole. You got it? Now let's move to I. This I, we have I for E, then you have the E sound and the I sound. Okay, we have I as identify, and we have the A as industry. Okay, now let's move to J. We have J, you can see for jog, and we have this for jingle. Okay, so let's move to this K now. The K and the K sound. Okay, sometimes it sounds like this. Okay, but when you pronounce them very well, you're going to know which is which, and depending on the meaning of the word or the actual word you're about to pronounce. Okay, so let's move on. So we have K, we have kids, we have kid, we have K2. Okay, so the next one, which is the L, we have the L and the L. Okay, you have this L and the R and the L sound. L, not the R. L sound. Okay, so we have little, we have lizard, we have lantern. Okay, so let's move to M. This is M, and at the same time the me sound. M, me sound. Now we have M, you have motor car, we have minimal. Okay, so we have the N sound, the N and the N or the ni sound. We have need. Okay, need. The N. Okay, now we have the O or the O sound. O sound. You have the O, orange. O, orange. O, oracle. O, oracle. O, orange. O, oracle. Okay, now let's move to this P now. This P can be pronounced as the P and as well as the pa. Okay, when you talk about P, it can be pu, p, people, people, and po, have polite. Okay, now let's move to Q. You have this as Q and have this as the qui sound. Okay, you have this as Q to queue up, like queuing up. I'll have it as queen. Okay, queen, quit. All right, now this is the R sound, R, and the re sound. This is R and the re sound. Now you have R, re, and okay, have rotate, rotate, and you have return. Okay, now the next one is the X sound. This is the S and this is the X. S and X. Okay, so we have this S as the S and the C. It sounds similar like the C right here. So you have this S and C sound. So you have S, scent. I have the C, cinnamon. Now we have T. We have the T. We have thin, thick, thin, thick. Okay, now this is U. We have U. Now this is U. We have U and U. So we have this as U, united, Uruguay. We have the V and the V sound. V. We have V, victory. Okay, we have V, vector. Okay, so we have the W, which is as well as the west sound. W, west sound for the west, the way. Okay, so we have the X. The X sound is well as the sound for X sound, Xmas, extra phone. Okay, all right. So we have the Y right here, Y and Y. It is called Y and Y. Okay, for Y you have the Y, yam, Y, yell, like eating fruit. Okay, we have ye and the likes. Okay, now the next one is Z and the last one. All right, so we have Z, we have Z and Z. We have the Z, zebra, the Z, zenith, Z, zip up, zip. Okay, so that's it from A to Z right now. So let's go visit it again right now. So we have A, B, B, C, K. Okay, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Z, Y, Z. Okay, so that's that for today's class. I hope you got it. I hope you enjoy every part of it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video, and bye for now.